Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. If I look at Amazon through here, let me bring up the last 3 months. Okay, so if I look at Amazon through here, look what's happened with Amazon here. Okay, firstly, what are we getting through here? If we actually have a if we have a look at Amazon, right, we had a very nice move up. Look at all this sideways phase. Look at this here. Isn't that just gorgeous, right? People probably thinking, what the hell do you mean gorgeous? Right? It says, and what I mean by that is that that's always the best opportunities, right? The best opportunities is that when the market goes quiet through here, and then we get a very nice strong breakaway bar, that's going to give us a very high probability we're likely to start to see a move to the upside. Okay? And so right now, the Amazon is absolutely doing nothing now. It has been doing really nothing now for almost a month. Right? Yeah, 19 bars, 27 days, almost a month, which is fantastic. Why? Because it's resting. This is a good thing. This is an absolutely good thing. Why? Because when we get a calming effect and if we get a very strong breakaway bar, then we could actually see this could be the flattening before a very nice move to the upside towards, I actually have a target of here of 2,900 ultimately. So around the $3,000 level there. So this calming effect, if we get a strong like bull, right? Strong like bull move, that could be a very nice, strong like bull move, that could be a very nice trade for me. I don't know, guys. I have to check all my rules because I go with my rules. But if we get that, that might be a sign for me to get into it. And if it is, then I see this thing rallying, having a very nice move once again. Something like this here. Nice move, sideways. Probably likely to see a nice move, at least back up to the 2,900 level. It's really weird, right? Amazon looks like it could be setting up for another nice move to the upside where we're getting a lot of weakness in the indices. That's the reason why, guys, if you ever trade in stocks, don't look at a stock and say, well, the US indices are looking weak, so I'm not going to trade this stock. Big mistake. So that's one stock, guys, I'm really liking. And also, the next off the rank is Netflix, right? Netflix. What's happened with Netflix? Exactly the same sort of thing with Amazon, right? Nice little sideways movement. We've had a bit of a V top through here. This is not as of a higher probability because we've had a move down and a move up, right? So we're not really getting a good sideways phase through here. So notice how if I look at this here, right, we've had it's more like a V shape. If I look at that there, so it's not as of high probability, but I still actually have, where's my target on Netflix, right? I actually have a $560 target on Netflix. So I believe this breakout here, this big, if I look at this weekly chart here, this weekly chart that we're seeing right now, look at this here. We had a very big, strong triangle pattern through here. Very big, strong triangle pattern. And we just broke out and now we're coming down and holding it through here. This tells me, guys, we have this whole big, massive triangle pattern and a big breakout through here. Guess what that tells me? That tells me we're now getting ready for a very big, strong move coming in Netflix. And I have a target around that 550, 560 level there. And all I did, guys, to actually get that projection, if you want to know that there, is that I just measure from the high, all right, the absolute high point, of, see where this resistance level starts back here. Let me zoom this in here. See how this resistance level, this triangle pattern, right now, see this is the starting point and this is the whole triangle pattern through here. So we're going to go to the absolute first starting point where the resistance is of the triangle pattern, this ascending triangle pattern, and we're going to find the low of the trend line. So if we have a resistance coming through here and we can see there's actually a lot of support coming through here, wherever the first point of resistance, if the market does this sort of thing, if the market does this, runs up, hits the low, comes back down, hits the low, right? You'll measure it from that point through there, and you'll measure it down to that point through there. And that's all I've done through there, right? You can see here, I've got this very big, strong triangle pattern through here. So I've just measured from the absolute high point. If you want to be conservative, you use the second point, which is this point here, but that point through there. And if I project that up from there, once we break this level here, then we're likely to run to the 560 level. So Amazon or Netflix, there we have at that level through there. So if I bring my daily charts back up, that's where ultimately I'll see Netflix going. So Netflix is on absolute fire right now. So we're seeing that through there, guys. But once again, if I'm comparing Netflix to Amazon, right? Amazon has had a lot more of a we had sideways, drop down, and a slight move up. So so Amazon there, but either other guys, I'm very, very bullish on both of these stocks here. Why? Not because of fundamentals. I don't know the fundamentals. I'm pretty sure they're doing well. Otherwise, they wouldn't be going up. And you know, and the charts don't lie. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. When it comes to the two stocks, these stocks look amazing for more upside to come. But for me, for trading these markets, I still need to wait for my entry signal there.